Good morning, everyone. Myself, Shija Nair, along with my teammates, to present about rapid TB hack test. The problem is tuberculosis has become more serious due to MDR and XDR TB. Current lab investigations for detection of TB are not much sensitive. Also, if found positive, the sample has to be sent to district headquarters, which is time consuming. So the optimized solution is two tests. First is the basic screen test, and the second is advanced test once a person is detected TB positive. So in the basic screen test, which is very quick and very cost effective, multiple sensor mounted along with controller on a chest belt which a person will wear, and a very quick screening will be done to understand whether the person is TB positive or not. Once it is detected the person is TB positive, then the person has to go to the further step, and that is our main solution. So here, based upon the integration of multiple microfluids along with IR sensors and controller. So this is the base idea where microfluid is integrated with IR sensor along with controller, and the sample taken here is a blood. So here the blood sample will be sent to the microfluid, and that is further processed to the IR sensor. Depending upon the absorption of infrared radiation or normal radiation red rays emitted, it will be diagnosed whether the person is TB positive or not. Further processing of the electrical signal will be done by the controller, and the data will be sent to the cloud computing for further storage. And whenever the user as well as the medical experts needs the data or wants the data to be shared, then this process can be done. The entire process is very much affordable with a very quick rapid test. Competitor analysis: compared to all other competitors, our product today is designed such a way that it is for both TB as well as MDR TB, and the overall complexity will be reduced, time consumption is very less, and the efficacy, portability, and cost is also very well maintained. Coming to the next, the our product is highly affordable for common people with silicon sensor controller interfacing. It is highly portable and rapid diagnose, which will take less than 1 hour, which is our main target, that the entire process should be taken less than 1 hour, and the cost should be, as far as possible, it should be least. Market analysis: in 2019, globally 209 million people are subjected to various types of tests for TB diagnosis. 7.1 million active cases were found, of which 24% only constitute from India. TB and MDR TB coupled diagnosis can reduce the health burden cost by 3 billion US dollars. We have completed the ideation stage and proceeding for prototyping. And the last is, once the idea is there, now we are planning for prototyping, and we are also planning to collaborate ourselves with some good medical fraternity to get our product successfully in the market with high accuracy. I would like to thank each one of you, all my six teammates. All together we have put lot of efforts to bring a very innovative advanced technology which can focus on quick, cost, and portability. These are the three main key factors we have highly worked upon. Thank you all the mentors for helping us, guiding us, making our idea into a better innovation, and then allowing us to think further for further development and proceedings. Thank you everyone.